This recipe started as a little bit of fun. Turns out it's actually unbelievably delicious. Today I'm going to show you how to make a burger using a full English breakfast. Let's do it. So the first ingredient we're going to need is some bacon. Here I'm using streaky, and you want to dice up your bacon really nice and fine. And once your bacon is finely diced up, pop a frying pan onto the hob and pop the heat on medium, and then chuck in your bacon. Give that a little bit of a stir in the pan, start to render out a little bit of that fat, and next we're going to need some sausages. All you want to do with your sausages is remove the skins. Once we have our de-skinned sausage meat, you want to chuck that into the pan with the bacon. Start to break up the sausage with a spoon, give it a good stir through, and once you've got some colour on your sausage and your bacon, we're going to go in with a masher, just to break everything up as much as possible. We want to break it up until it's almost like mincemeat. And next we're going to want some black pudding. So take your black pudding, and as with the sausage and bacon, you want to dice this up really nice and fine. So chop your way through your black pudding, and then chuck that in the pan with your sausage and your bacon. Give it a good stir through, give it another few minutes on the hob, and the next ingredient we're going to need is some Worcestershire sauce. So shake up your Worcestershire sauce and add about a tablespoon or two to deglaze the pan. The Worcestershire sauce will give it a really nice brown saucy flavour. So stir it through, reduce down the Worcestershire sauce, and then we want to pop the ingredients into a large mixing bowl. And what we want to do next is allow the sausage, the bacon and the black pudding to fully cool down. And very quickly guys, if you could just give the video a like by hitting the thumbs up button below. And to make our burger, we're going to want some beautiful toasted brioche buns. So pop a frying pan onto the hob, add a nice generous knob of butter, and then pop in your brioche burger buns. Toast those off beautifully for a couple of minutes until the bottoms are lovely and golden brown. Just stick those to one side, and we're going to put together our burgers. So take another mixing bowl full of some ground beef. We want the beef to be 20% fat, and then start to spoon in your bacon, sausage and black pudding. So mix it through, keep adding your breakfast mix, and then the last ingredient to go in is a whole free-range egg. So crack your egg, pop it into the bowl with the mix, and give that a really good mixing up. And once it's all beautifully mixed up together, you want to take a sheet of grease-proof paper, take a good handful of your burger mix, and spend a minute to form a really nice burger patty. For this particular burger, we want the burger itself to be about an inch thick. So take your time to form the patty, and now we're ready to go. So pop a frying pan back onto the hob, turn the heat up high, add a small touch of butter. At this point we'll want to season, so season with some sea salt and black pepper, flip it over, and then add some sea salt and black pepper to the other side, and then pop in your burger patty. Press the patty down with a spatula. We want to get a really nice crust on the outside of that patty, a really good sear. Flip it after a minute, press it down and give it another minute. All in all, the burger patty is going to take about 2-3 minutes to cook. Flip it a couple of times, and when it's about 30 seconds away, we're going to want some good old plastic burger cheese. Lay a slice of your cheese onto the burger patty, turn off the heat, and just let that cheese melt beautifully. And then you want to take the base of your burger bun, and we want some brown sauce, or any sauce of your choice. Lay on your full English breakfast burger, and there we have a slightly strange but unbelievably delicious treat, a full English breakfast burger. Give it a try, and I hope you enjoy it guys. Take care.